Today we're going to be making a Funfetti unicorn cake. The reason why we're making a unicorn cake is because they're magical and I felt like making something magical today. And they have lots of colors in their mane. And I love colors. So the ingredients for the cake are baking soda, baking powder, we mix them together, salt, lavender extract, vanilla extract, canola oil, 2 eggs, sprinkles, buttermilk, flour, and sugar. So for the exact amount of the full ingredients, check down below on this video. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients all up. It's a tornado! Okay, now let's just put the salt. For some reason it's stuck. There we go. I'll put the vanilla and the oil. Let's keep mixing for now. Okay, I think I'll just put the eggs. That was it for the batter, so I'll just mix it. But it smells really good. Okay, I think that's enough mixing. Oh, and we forgot one more thing. The lavender extract. This is a lavender flavored cake. So now it's time to put the most exciting part, the Funfetti sprinkles. We're not going to use the stand mixer for this because if we do, then it's going to break all the sprinkles apart. So we're going to use a spoon and gently mix it. You can use a spatula if you want, but I prefer a spoon. Look at all that Funfetti. I already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. So I already prepared my cake pans as you see. Now it's time to divide the batter evenly in between these 2 cake pans. I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna put these cakes in the oven. There we go. If your kids are too young to put it in the oven by themselves and you think they're gonna get burned, then let a grown-up help you. So we're gonna let them stay in the oven for 28 minutes. We're gonna start making the unicorn horn and the unicorn ears while it's baking. So now I'm working on my unicorn horn for the cake. So I already rolled it out like this, but all you need to do is make one end thinner and one end thicker. So we're gonna leave that one alone and just roll this one out a little thinner. I wet this Lollipop stick and we're gonna use it for the horn. But we wet it so it sticks to the fondant. Here's what you need to do. You stick it down like this. And then you just start wrapping it around. Ooh. Ooh. Actually, we're gonna cut this part off here so it can stick inside of the cake. So I finished my unicorn horn. And now we're gonna make the ears. We're gonna cut out first the big shape and then the small shape for the inside of the ear. Look at this. It's not coming off the table. So now we've finished our ears. Yay! We're gonna put them together by adding a little bit of water to stick. So, undo with my finger. Now, the cakes are ready. We're gonna take them out of the oven. Funfetti cake! Now it's time to poke them with the cake tester to see if it's ready or not. If any cake gets on it, then it's not ready. If it comes out smooth without any cake, then it's ready. No cake. No cake. Now we're gonna put them aside and let them cool completely. Now we're gonna put them on this roller to cool. You wanna put them on something round. They're gonna be done cooling pretty soon. So we already finished our ears. Look-a-dee. Now we're just gonna paint them gold. So I have this small bowl here, almond extract, and we have golden highlighter dust. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of that golden highlighter dust. It's hard to open. Into the bowl. And then you use some almond extract. And we're gonna add some in there. Oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. You need to wet your brush a little bit. You're gonna dip it in the golden highlighter dust. And we're only gonna paint in the inside of the ear. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And it smells good too. It's too shiny. Now I'm gonna use a smaller brush to get all the edges. So we're done with the ears. Look how pretty they look. As well, we're also gonna paint the horn gold. It's so pretty. I'm done. It looks like real gold. It's so pretty. I want to paint this as nail polish. If you have something like this and you don't want it to get dirty and put it on the kitchen counter, then put it like it's just like a stand, so it won't get dirty. So I took my first cake out of the fridge so it can cool completely. And now it's time to frost it, my favorite part. So first we're gonna go outside the perimeter, and then we're gonna fill the rest in. So I got this offset spatula, which we're gonna spread the cake, and then we're gonna get the other cake layer and put it on top, and then at the end we're gonna frost the whole cake. So I got my second cake out of the fridge, and what we're gonna do now is flip it over so it will be straight and smooth. So we're gonna put it on the second layer and frost this side. So now we're frosting the side. My hand is getting super tired. So now we're gonna do the eyes. We're gonna keep the eyes a little simple. I did the eyes. As you can see, they're not perfect. Not as perfect as I want it to be, but it's okay. I'm only 7. Mistakes help you learn. I already said that. So now we're gonna frost the cake with colors. The colors I chose for the unicorn is teal, pink, yellow, and purple. I chose them because they're on my shirt and because I just love those colors. And they suit a unicorn. So we're gonna start doing the mane. So what I'm doing is mixing colors together and making the hair look like it's falling down. It's like a rainbow waterfall. So pretty. Some pink. Wow. Now I'm using some sanding sugar to add some gold and white glitter to our cake. So now it's time to put the horn and the ears. It looks so good. Turning it around. Dun, 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 dun. This unicorn cake didn't turn out as perfect as I thought it would be, but we tried our best and it's my first one and I'm not gonna go hard on myself. It's good. If you guys try to make the same cake as I did and it doesn't turn out perfect, then it's okay because you'll learn. Just so you know, the most important thing is, guess, to have fun! If you try to make this unicorn cake too, please send me pictures of it. It will make my day. If you like this video, go down and subscribe.